Yahoo! So a few days ago, we went to Cebu early in the morning. Nasa loob lang kami sa boat and surprisingly, hindi siya mainit. Ang tahimik and it was really, really chill. I was just sitting there, half asleep, scrolling through my phone and thinking, can't we just teleport to the hotel already? Cause I was so bored. And napapagod na ako kasi I woke up so early just to get ready. Bruh. Finally, we arrived at Bai Hotel in Mandawi City. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng place, super ganda. It was really clean, super modern, and the staff were really, really nice. Pagpasok namin sa room, I was like, okay, wait, pwede na akong tumira dito. Ang bango, ang lawak, tapos yung view, chef's kiss talaga. And of course, quick room tour muna. Kasi I'm a cloud chaser, duh. Haha. So, after we fixed our things, gutom hits agad. So, I got Chowking takeout for lunch. Simple lang, pero sobrang sarap after the trip. Cause, nung nag-start kami sa trip, hindi kami kumakain ng almusal. Tas ayun, nagugutom na ako. And, habang kumakain ako, si mama naman yung nagvi-video ng room tour. Teamwork makes the dream work daw. Ako, kakain lang siya, nag-content creator mode. Shit. Later that day, we decided to check out the pool. Nag-inquire muna kami sa receptionist. And guys, grabe, super bait nila. Very accommodating, very polite. They spoke English really, really well. And I was just super mind-blown talaga. And the pool area looked so relaxing. Plus, may view pa nga siya sa city. Kasi nasa 23rd floor ng building. Grabe, ang taas. The heck. And I really thought to myself, bro, why can't I live here? If you have plans on going to Cebu and then stay at a hotel, I would really recommend this hotel. It's a 5-star hotel for me. Pero syempre, bago lumusong, mag-picture muna. Alam mo na, pag walang picture, hindi yun nangyari. So, may nakita akong chair. So, I sat on it para cute photo and stuff kasi cloud chaser. Pero, ayun, biglang kinabahan ako kasi parang gumalaw siya. I was like, wait, murag mahog ko, ani ba? Pero, in the end, it was really, really worth it because I got good shots. And then, swimming time. Or more trying to swim time. Lol. Fun fact, I don't actually know how to swim. So, I was just staying near the edge, pretending na marunong ako lumangoy. And my mom was filming me and super halata talaga na takot ako lumubog. But in the end, it was really fun and refreshing. Okay, so after swimming, the water was really, really cold. So I ended up wrapping myself in a towel and honestly, I looked like an egg. Not even kidding. I even laughed at myself watching the clip. Bro, why do you look like an egg? With that receding hairline. Oh, what the heck? Girl is giving Lara from Cat's Eye. Oh. And I think that sums up everything in my vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog and I will see you in the next one. Bye!